morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending what time of day you're viewing this. I just got back some artwork from a couple of exhibits that I had, and I kind of rehung things. This is my studio where I work primarily on watercolor. It's kind of a mishmash of all different mediums. I've got oil, I've got acrylic, I've got watercolor. My table where I do flat work and where I record my lessons for YouTube. And you can see my mic is set up, actually my tripod is set up for recording later. I also use this drafting board, which is wonderful for watercolor. I don't usually work flat for my own work, but when I'm exhibiting, demonstrating rather, I tend to like to work flat so you can see what I'm doing as I'm painting it. And we've got some acrylics here. Whoops, sorry. Acrylic, oil, lots of books for reference. I suggest, if you're really serious about learning art, to have a reference library. The internet is great, but I find having a book in my hand and even tearing pages out of art magazines can be a real help when I'm working out a problem. And of course, no studio would be complete without a computer, and I love my Mac. I do a lot of pre-editing and composition on it before I start painting. More paintings on the wall. These are between exhibits. They're older pieces that I want to take out of the frames to put up for sale online. And I always have a stack of paintings that I'm deciding what to do with. So that's the studio tour for summer. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great, successful, and creative day. And don't forget to keep practicing.